Well, we got the 2 skidders to the new woods here. We're cleaning out a hole, pushing a few little trees down. We got to bring the loader in here, and got to make a hole in this woods. You know, we have no room on the road. It's got to all be done inside the woods here. So maybe both of these would be plenty manpower or skidder power to pull all that out. And boy, it's the timbers in here. Good gracious, and beautiful stuff, I tell you. Beautiful stuff. That big skidder pushed that hickory tree up. I know it's not that big, but them root wads on the hickories are tough. We got it up. I don't know how long it'll keep running that way, but boy, that's one smooth engine there. 500 or 600 hours on it. That's you can tell it's sweet. That one there's got a crate engine, but I don't know how long ago. Yeah, it runs good, strong. Supposed to idle rough sometime. That could be in the diesel or something. I don't know. Sometimes it's slow about going into gear, kicking in. It's electrical about it. I'm not exactly there. I called John Deere, that's what they said. Just a little video of our skidders cleaning them, making a hole in the woods for the loader and trucks. Their intentions are going to drive the trucks in and turn them around back there somewhere and load them here at the edge in the woods, and then send them on the way, stay out of the road. You know, y'all, ain't nothing to do with the skidders, but green's my favorite color anyway. And it does help when you got green skidders. I mean, I think that big board pushed that little old tree down there, it looked like. Yeah. Let's see if it'll do it. Ah, look at there. Like it's nothing. There you go. Who needs a bulldozer, y'all? Bet he can't pull it out of the ground though. Oh, he can. 50 back. Okay. Good, good, good. There you go. I have to go in the land clearing. These big big skidder, some rippy logging and land clearing. I don't know. Never done that. If there's any money in it or not. Doing some leveling up on them stump holes right here. The 648 is. If that don't happen, we're gonna bring it knuckle boom over here shortly. Pull it right in. That's their tentative plans, you know.